Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is record mockup for singer or any album recorder or any album editor. So here is total 13 file, design template, back cover and front cover. Here you can adjust your album or here make. Okay, so one file is I think JPG or PSD. Okay, I think PSD. I drag this file to Photoshop. Oh, import front cover. We need a album cover, but I import any photo of girl for example. You can drag your own design. These files are high definition when I use every time. Control S. No, and you see our album or our photo in here, so you see the reflect or effect. Here is color, object, shadow and background. You can change wall background. See, depend your own choice. Same thing is here. Wow. So here is you can import two files, three. Front cover, back cover, and here is a label. Import your logo here. Okay, front cover is a singer. Control S for saving, and back cover is Control S, and second is last is a label or a cover logo. So I write a Leo music. Or depend your own choice. Control S, and you see Leo music is here. Or import your photo or logo, depend your choice. I close this file and open last file here. Same thing is here. You can change wall color or this color, front, self colors, object, shadow, background. I hope these mockup are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.